So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to retouch and edit AI images. And the one we're gonna use right now, the tool we're gonna use is gonna be called ClipDrop. This is the link, clipdrop.co, and this should be the landing page you're seeing on your end also. Now that being said, let's get straight to it. Let's just hover down a little bit, and these are the tools that you can use. Very plenty tools right here. I think there should be around 10 or 11. Anyway, I'm gonna show you two tools that we can use. First one is cleanup. The next one is gonna be relight. Let's start first with cleanup and then let's move on to relight, okay? So for cleanup, simply click on cleanup right there, and then this should be the editing platform for cleanup. Simply drop a file that you wanna clean up. Let me just choose this one. Now, cleanup basically clean up images, or rather clean up the surrounding of your image. You can choose the brush size over there if you want to make it shorter or larger, of course. And then let's try this one. For example, I want to remove these leaves right here, the green leaves. Simple highlight right there, highlight again, highlight over here. Let's try it out. And basically click on clean. And there you go. It will just take around 5 minutes. The leaves over here are removed, so there's still some here we can just redo here until they're gone. Clean again and wait for it to finish. And basically, if you get doing it, those leaves will be gone. This is most applicable for items. For example, you're holding a phone and you want your phone to be gone. This is the one you're looking for. Anyway, once you're satisfied, simply click on download, and that specific photo will be downloaded on your device. To go back, right here, simply click on the landing page, and then we're gonna focus now on relight. Simply click on this one, relight, to go to the landing page of this editing platform. Simply drop a file. Let me just use this photo right here that I got from Midjourney. It will process around 30 seconds only, and this should be doing it. So imagine Instagram filters being here, being on the next level. Basically, it's an Instagram filter version 2. So this is gonna be the first preview. So I'm just gonna pull it up so we can have a comparison each time I use it. So I'm just gonna place this photo right here, right beside it. So basically this is the original photo, and then each one of them are perfect. These are preset templates, but if you wanna do manually, you can choose the ambient here, the lighting. Of course, the light is right there. You can just edit where is the light should be placed, where to focus it, and where to place it. Basically, that's how you do it. And once you're satisfied, simply click on download right there, and then those photos will be downloaded on your device. So let's open it up and compare the two. So the left one right here, this is the original. Right one is the after relight effect. Basically, it looks brighter for me, but I'd rather still go with the natural looking one. Anyway, that's my preference, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.